Yeah, Barsha, in your group, I think there are many girls, but they don't talk to each other. I think what is the reason behind of this?
Because of maybe sometimes it's happened they only want wanna learn this language, but they haven't guts, courage to talk with people. So, and I think maybe they.
I think I know very well. They want to seriously want to improve and they want to learn English, but I think they think about it. If I can, yeah, I think they think about if I talk to with any guy, so I think I don't know.
Yeah, they will bother me, they will cheat me, and they will propose me, and they will do a
Yeah,
lots of bad
absolutely,
things.
absolutely. Yeah.
Yeah, this type of things have girls, but I think they got little bit courage and little bit guts. That's why they joined that group, because there is
Yes,
a
yes.
boy also. Little bit they got it, and that's why they joined. Only I think they have to also courage more than more while talking to people like a boy. And
Yes,
I wanna, yeah, tell
and they
them if
also,
I am capable to talk with boys, so why they are not?
I
Yeah,
think,
we have to only handle, we have to only handle and take action.
I think it's dependent on your thinking. My thinking different, your thinking so different. So it's dependent on that guy or that girls. So I think they seriously, if they will watch this video, so I think they have to think if you seriously want to improve your communication skills, so you have to interact with any like girls and boys. Otherwise, we will not speak very well.
Because while speaking is different and grammar part is different. We need really one person while practice daily.
Yes, yes. I
But
think
maybe
someone is selling vegetables also nearby your home.
there is a lots of sale because my
I
road,
think
my home is in front of road.
okay, you are. I think you are living nearby vegetables mandi.
No, no, no. But
Okay,
vegetable
okay.
seller is coming here and selling
But yeah,
vegetables
it's it's
and
it's
a lot.
it's it's big problem if you are living in urban area like city. So there you can see this type of voice every time.
City area, every house is very small and there is a lots of people. And if we go in village area, so that
Yeah,
area is
it is.
really very calm.
Because I know very well. I living in Noida, so there is very very small streets, and every time I can see ye le lo, wo le lo, potato le lo.
Yeah,
So
they are
I'm so
selling a lot.
tired. Really. I'm so tired.
But what to do? Like they haven't any kind of choice. If they
Yes.
wanna, live in this life and survive in this modern era, so they have to do that thing.
But you have a good opportunity because you are living in urban area, so you have a many facility like lots of facility like transport and coaching facility. So I think so.
Yeah, right. In city area there is a lots of thing, and also one thing is very good. There is no network issue.
No, also in my hometown, there is no network issue right now because I think they will take I think install many towers nearby village, urban, rural areas. So I think you can't facing this type of issue in anywhere. So yeah, come on
Yeah.
topic. So let's come on topic. So I think we are discussing about how to talk. Uh, you know, uh, uh,
Girls.
girls. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay. Now I wanna point some point.
yes,
There is no any kind of big deal. Just girl have to understand, like if they have courage, if they have guts to learn this language, and like they have desire, like yeah, I wanna learn this language, I wanna speak with people, because if they are fear, they are facing fear just only mobile. So So while they wanna do job, so I think there is a lots of boy in any
Yeah,
company,
yes,
sector, in any school. So how can they face boys face to face?
yes, 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 yes. I agreed. I agreed. Really, I agreed.
They are not capable to face boys in only chatting and video calling. Yeah, but
I
in
think
front of. Mhm.
yes, it's a good platform. You have any problem during a while conversations, I think you can complain with your admin guy, not like your yeah WhatsApp group admin. So it's good. Whenever you, I think you feel that "Okay, I'm not happy. Yeah, whenever you feel like a fear. So I think you
Yeah,
can complain with your admin, group
see, and
admin.
yeah, no, I'm not telling like they have to take her own action. Like they have to, understand like how can I handle that all people because
Yes,
daily,
yes, yes,
daily
yes.
so many people, so many boy. Some boy is good and some boy is really bothering me. And nowadays, as this February season is like Kiss Day, Hug Day, and that type of day is coming.
I
So
don't know. I don't know. I'm also married.
okay, so a
Uh,
lots of people send me lots of boy. I have 4 and 5 groups, so there is a lots of boys. So daily they send me message, okay. And after if I say yeah, hi, my name is Varsha, so they got it. Yeah, this is a girl. And then
oh,
after that they bothering me, okay. So
yeah.
some of boy don't bother me, just they wanna learn this language. Though say so they speak with me very
Like me,
kindness and generous. Yeah,
like me.
you. some
Okay,
some
okay.
some
Interesting.
is bother me. So how can I handle them? Just what I have to do, I talk first and two time, and after that I think, oh, that guy is not good. So suddenly I go and block them.
Right, absolutely, absolutely. I agree with you. Yeah, if you have any problem, you can blog also.
Yeah, there is no any kind of action because of why? Because there is a lots of people, and every people don't have time to bother only one person. They have
Yes,
several people. They go and bother again second people. So
yes, 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 yes.
I
Ab-
understand this thing.
So that's why you are here, and you are very well in very well in English. That's why, really. But I
Yeah.
think every girls want to improve their English and anything. But I
Mhm.
think they fear about to okay, what is the seeing people when I go to outside in city. But seriously, if you want to do job, yeah, any anything, so I think you have to out from your home.
Hmm. We have to laugh our comfort zone. That comfort zone is not good for us.
Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
We have
Whatever.
to. Mhm.
Yes, yes.
We have to take some action for ourselves if we want to do anything. Like
Yes.
if we want, we have to take action. Without action, I think maybe we only just think we are not capable to do anything.
And yesterday I saw one video and I learned many one things if you seriously want to improve your English, so I think first first tips listen and delivered, and after that grab it, अपनी mistake our mistakes. So I think you recognize your mistakes. It's three
Yeah,
steps, so you can speak very well. So I follow this thing in every day.
that is good because you got your desire. Yeah, and now this is my precious time, and I want to learn this language. I want to speak fluent because you got your desire. So that's why you are doing. But there are so many people they just think, I have to learn this language, and after that they join lots of group. They are talking with some one time only. They talk with people, and then after they lost herself and himself, and after that maybe they are not capable to talk with people.
I think at that time I think we made first time on WhatsApp group. That time I was I'm only I was listening only you, and
Yeah,
really at that time I'm very hesitate, and I have a very fear. I had very fear because I was listening only you, because you are speaking continue like around the like 15 to 20 minutes. So that
yeah.
time I thought I have to speak like you. So yeah.
to me also. Like, I have also lots of fear before time. When I talked with first time Vishnu, only half
Vishnu
an yeah, Vishnu first time.
Bharadwaj.
That is a one boy. Okay, he is a one boy. I talk first time face to face only half a minute.
Oh, I saw your video on YouTube. Yeah, with Vishnu Bharadwaj.
Yeah. So I think I think no, Vishnu didn't made it video with me. So I think is he is a boy. I don't know what's happened after talking to him. But he told me a lot of
But
fear
uh,
was.
but
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 I
I think Varsha, it's happen only in India, but it's right. It's truth. If any girl, any boy talk to like any girl, so they thought come up after sometimes I will propose you. So it's happened in India really.
it's happened.
That's why every girl's fear.
Is prepare right that all thing. Yeah, it's going to happen.
Yes,
Fire, courage.
absolutely.
So I think